India's Independence Day isn't just about speeches and parades. It's about engaging young minds in celebrating the spirit of freedom. In today's video, we bring you 15 creative, fun, and meaningful Independence Day activities for school students in 2025. Let's get started. 1. Patriotic badges. Students can design and wear their own tricolor badges using craft paper and safety pins. It's simple, patriotic, and a great way to start the day with pride. 2. Tricolor sun catchers. Using tissue paper and transparency sheets, kids can make beautiful sun catchers in orange, white, and green, lighting up classrooms with patriotism. 3. Paper flag craft. Let students craft their very own Indian flags using crepe paper and sticks. It's a classic activity, but always a hit. 4. India's map collage. Turn a map of India into a colorful masterpiece by filling it with magazine cutouts, symbols of culture, food, and tradition from every corner of the nation. 5. Independence Day bracelets. Friendship meets freedom. Tricolor bracelets with the words unity, peace, or India written on them help students bond over shared pride. 6. Patriotic handprint flag. Let every student leave their mark. Using colored paint, kids create a flag entirely out of their handprints, a beautiful symbol of togetherness. 7. Freedom fighter paper puppets. Bring history to life with puppets of Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Gandhi Ji, and more. Perfect for mini puppet shows or class presentations. 8. National emblem stamping. With carved stamps and paint, kids can create prints of the Ashoka lion or chakra. It's messy, fun, and educational. 9. Unity and diversity collage. Celebrate India's rich culture with a class collage showcasing various languages, festivals, dances, and foods, all on one giant sheet. 10. Independence Day memory booklet. Let students create their own memory booklets titled, "What Freedom Means to Me." It's a personal and reflective activity they'll treasure. 11. Tricolor wind chimes. Using paper cups, ribbons, and bells, kids can craft wind chimes in national colors, perfect to hang in classrooms and corridors. 12. Independence Day crown craft. Tricolor paper crowns with slogans like Jai Hind and stars make kids feel like real heroes of freedom. 13. Patriotic tambourine. DIY tambourines made from paper plates add a musical twist to the celebration. Shake, sing, and dance with rhythm and pride. 14. Tricolor friendship bands. Wool or string, tricolor bands tied around friends' wrists are not just colorful. They're symbols of unity and love for the country. 15. Freedom balloon release. A symbolic balloon release where kids write messages like, "My India, my pride," and tie them to tricolor balloons. A perfect way to end the celebration on a high note. Literally. Which activity was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative classroom ideas. Happy Independence Day 2025!